Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in today's video I hope you're ready to get motivated and do some of the most mundane chores but the most necessary ones. If you like what you see in this video, I hope that you stick around for more and press that like button, leave me a comment down below. Which is the most dreaded task that you do at home? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's start by cutting the grass. On this day, it was 97 degrees, and I cannot tell you how many calories I burned just by cutting the grass and trimming the plants and rearranging the front lawn. And I drank so much water. I finished around 8 p.m. and I did not get it all done. And one of the things that I wanted to encourage you today is that it's okay if you don't finish. But what matters is that you actually started something. I am a full-time mom. I leave my house very early in the morning. I wake up around 6 a.m. and then I come home and I'm exhausted. But I have to find motivation to recharge in the afternoon because as a working mom, we have a second shift, right? Which is taking care of our family members and taking care of our homes and get a lot of the things done, right? So I had my cup of coffee, I, chill under the AC, and then I got motivated and I knew I had to address the front lawn, and I did. And I also rearranged my garden, and I'm gonna link the video down below. I did a video just with the sounds of the urban garden, so I hope you take 5 more minutes after you watch this video and just listen to the beautiful sounds of my front lawn. Now on day 2, we're moving inside to do the dishes. I had just came from work, and this is what I come home to every single day. These dishes are the one from the morning breakfast before we go to work, as well as our food containers and coffee mugs. Basically, this is all we take to work, so we don't have to buy lunch outside our work area and spend money. Let me know if you take lunch home, and if not, how much money do you spend buying lunch every week? Because I find that nowadays everything is so expensive that it is a necessity to bring your own lunch to work. Also, right after I finish my dishes, I usually start prepping dinner, which our dinner it's around 4 p.m. We eat our dinner very early because our date starts very early. Comment down below at what time do you usually eat dinner with your family? usually keep a rag inside of a bucket with a little bit of Clorox in it. And after I finish cleaning, I'm constantly, passing the rag around and disinfecting. I've been doing this all my life, and I have neighbors who are Portuguese. I'm Spanish, but they're Portuguese, and they actually do the same. And sometimes I think that it's very cultural. We always have a little bucket with a little bit of Clorox. I have used vinegar in the past, and we always have a rag inside. Let me know if you do that. If you have a rag that you constantly keep by your side. Also, this jar here, I used to keep my fabric softener for the laundry room, but my laundry room, it's a mess right now, and I really have to fix it. So I decided to clean this really good because I figure we could use it outside in the summer for the drinks. And this is why I'm like wrestling with it, trying to make sure that I take the smell of the fabric softener really good, and I'm gonna see if I can use it. Use it to put perhaps iced tea or lemonade or even sangria. Why not? I struggle coming up with new ways of how to season the meat, and I'm using pork here, pork chops, and I have to put you on this season mix that I found. I am obsessed. My kids loved it, and I thought that I needed to share that with you because I use it in the pork. I also use it in the chicken, and it is amazing. It's a combination of cilantro and lime flakes, and oh my gosh, you have to try it. It already has salt in it, so all I added is pepper and a little bit of oil, and then you put it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes, and let me tell you, you are not going to be disappointed. And it's so easy, and as you could see, this is the only dish pot that I'm using. So after you clean the kitchen sink, I know you don't want to go and start cooking and get more dishes dirty. So this is one of those meals that are easy, they're simple, and you're gonna be able to eat your dinner and then just relax for the night. The second thing I want to put you on is this yellow rice. When we went to Florida and we met with my aunt, and if you're watching this, I'm sending you a big hug because I haven't seen my uncle and my aunt for about 20 years, and I drove down from New Jersey to Florida, which is about a 24-hour drive with the stops and all that. And ever since she cooked this for us there, I've been hooked on it, and so my kids. And it is very easy, and it's such a great companion for a quick meal. It already comes seasoned for you. I usually get it in Walmart or Sam's Club. Perhaps you could find it in BJ's. I am not sure, but you won't be disappointed with this meal. And again, the only second pot that we're using is the rice cooker, but basically in my house we eat rice every single day. Last, we cannot forget the drink. And again, this is also affordable and is such an amazing companion for your dinner. And it's basically iced tea. And as you seen, One of my kids left the 2 scoops inside of this iced tea. They're usually the ones that make it, but this day also was really hot. It's been a very hot week, by the way, and we've been drinking a lot of water and iced tea, and we're just trying to be conscious and keep ourselves very, very hydrated. Last, we're moving into my bedroom, to this crib where I dump all the clean laundry, and when I have a chance or I have a spurt of energy, I come here and I fold laundry. And on this day, I had that little bit of energy left to tackle this clothing, which is Matthew, and get it all done.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
On this day, I also have put my sheets to wash because my daughter was on vacation and I had the privilege to sleep with Cocoa. The German Shepherd came to my bed every single night. And because my daughter had arrived the night before, I decided to give my sheets a good wash. I did not include it in the video, but I hope you stick around to the end so you could see how I fold Matthew's pajamas since he's little.
Lose track of time, head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond dawn.
I'm gonna show you how I fold the pajamas for Matthew, and I do this with all the kids. I've been doing it since they're little, and this is a summer example. I lay it down. I lay down the pajama, right? And then I get the bottoms, in this case it's shorts, and I put them in here. And then I fold it like this. And now when he grabs his pajama, he knows that the pants are inside. Now for the winter pajamas, I do it different because the pants are longer. So I lay out the top and I fold, okay? And then I get the pants and I fold them and I place them like this. And then I go and I fold, and now it's like a sandwich. And it's there, nice and neat for him to grab. Hope that helps. See you next time. Stay safe and stay cool. Bye.